Hello, Adam. Hello, hello. Hello?
Hello. Hi.
Hi.
Oh,
Hello. Adam, I forgot something essential. Hold on. I think we
good.
need to go through this before going to try the regex thingy. Uh, I I was just thinking that we should do matrix, 2D matrix with list.
Oh, okay. Matrix is scary. Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay.
I'm yeah. I'm going to show you how. Let's do the matrix addition, and then you continue with matrix multiplication. How about that?
Okay, sure.
Okay, sure. Let's start the list. Okay, now we have, let's say the matrix should be A, and then we have like this. Uh, 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 uh. Is this correct? B.
Is that a list inside of a list?
Yeah. So this is a 2D list, right?
Hmm.
Okay. Let's do the addition. So it's going to be easy, right? Supposed to be easy. But for multiplication, it's a bit tricky. So I want to see how you solve it. So how to do this? Uh, let's say we have C. No. How about, let's print A. I want to see if do you did you do something with this? No?
I did that. I have made my anagram code recursive, and now I can use any word. It took a while. I work on it. It took like an hour for me
You
just to
didn't see it from
experiment.
you didn't see it from code words or anything? Holy
No, because
moly.
last time I had like, when I saw the recursive when we were trying to figure out the tree, I I got inspiration like, oh, wait, that's how you can do recursive and it works for anagram. It works. It works. And I made it input so you can try any word and it will work. I'm sure.
Hold on. Can you print how many possibility? How to print it?
How to print it?
Result. Uh,
I wanted to do that, but it's a bit hard to do.
no way. Just put a counter somewhere and then print it at the end.
Yeah, if I want to put a counter, I have to put another parameter. So we do result y and then counter in the input.
Ah, this is crazy. I cannot follow the logic. I'm still stuck with the three things. Holy moly, oh damn, I can only see this here that you do recursively but plus one.
The plus one doesn't actually matter. That's like the least.
It matter
The
because this is the recursive one, right?
yeah. But you can actually do recursive without the plus one, apparently. I learned
Huh,
that. Yeah, it could be the
hold on.
same words.
Okay, summarize it
So
for me. How do you do it?
okay,
Are you going from front
we
to the back to the front,
I'm
or anything?
doing. It's the same as my old one. You remember my old one is front to back and then back to the front. So it's the same. I start with a list. So my input here at the bottom, you see my input is a string and then straight into a list. So it's a list of letters. And then what we do is we pick the letters one by one. Okay, here for I in
Oh,
range,
so this recursive is doing
the picking the
the
letters.
picking the letter
Exactly.
one by one, right? So
Exactly.
what's the
So
pop is doing here?
So we have a
Oh,
list
it
to
is.
pick it, and then when we already took it, we're gonna pop it so we can't take it again. Okay. And then once, and then you see the if. So I finally understood recursive in outside of math is if. So how do you stop the recursive? If it's less, if len is 0, then I'm gonna print a result. The result is, look, result plus equals to UI. So what I'm doing is slicing a string with letters. I'm making a
Hold on.
string.
Hold on. So basically, if we if the len is equal to 0, then it's the end of the word, right?
Yes,
And
the len of
what
the
I
list
don't
because list
understand
is
is
empty.
what is the insert is doing here?
So after we're done, after we have a full word, our list is empty. And when we want to go back and make a new word, we need to put the letters back in the list. But I put it after the pop, after the everything. So it's gonna go recursive first, and then when it's done with the recursive, then I'm gonna insert it back. It's difficult to visualize, but you can put some. For me to troubleshoot it, I had to put print stuff everywhere with all
Oh,
the
I
variables.
see. I probably have to print it per
Yeah,
iteration.
per variable, per iteration. Yeah, you
Let
have.
me try. Let me try something like
It's, the principle here is slicing.
oh,
Oh, that's gonna lag.
huh? No.
It's a
Wow,
lot of.
it's going to go forever, you know. Ah, no, 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 just stop it. Oh, this is cool.
Yeah, so any number of letters, and it doesn't matter. And you don't have to change any of the parameters. All you have to do is input the word.
Mm. This is
Um,
clean. So clean. And I
I did
cannot
clean
stop
it
it.
up nicely.
It's done.
I think it's done, yeah.
Yeah, it's done. Let me try. Let me try. So clean.
So
Oh
yeah,
my God.
it's these are all strings that I slice. I use plus. That one, the first thing I do is result equals. You see the input, I have result is the empty, the speech marks. We start with an empty
Yeah.
string and then we add to the string one letter
Mhm.
one by one. That one. Result equals, I can't see it, it's blocked. But there is
Yeah,
above x
yeah, it's a
equals.
slicing, right?
Yeah.
So basically you are printing anything from the front to Y. And
Um
Y is what? Y is
y, okay, y is what
what is
I'm.
U? What is Y?
So U is a list. Okay, U is a list. U is the
Ah, this is
list.
the secret. This is the secret. How do you explain this? What is U? What's the result? And what is Y?
That's the problem is with recursive. If you define a variable inside the recursive, for every layer of recursive, that variable is going to be different because local and variables are
I
different.
see.
So if you want it to be constant for all the recursive, you have to define it within the thing like that. That's how you define the variable. It has to
Oh,
be like
okay.
that.
So U is the word, result is
U
empty
is a
for the
list,
result.
result is
Oh,
empty. So I define it here at the bottom. At the bottom here, comma, and 0, that's where I define result and Y.
yeah.
That's
This
how I
is
define it.
how you call the function with all the parameters, right?
Exactly.
But I think we should omit this one. Should we put result in here because it's part oh, because it's recursive, right? So you have
Mhm.
to pass on the result to the next
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, exactly. Otherwise, it
I don't
doesn't
see
work.
I don't see any returns here, by the way.
Yeah, exactly. I didn't do any return because I didn't understand how to do return. I think you can only do it
Hey,
once,
no,
no?
no,
In
no.
recursive.
But instead, you bring along the result recursively. I
Yeah,
think
I've
if
just
you,
printed every
yeah,
time.
you can just return result and then omit it from here. I think. I don't
I
know.
mean,
But
I don't know how read like
yeah, so with
how.
but this is clever. By defining it here, then you make sure that you will pass on the result to the next function and then to the
Hmm.
next function. So the other way to do it by doing return. That's why you don't need the return because you already define it when you call the function. Oh, this is clever, yeah.
I didn't think of that. Maybe I should try it. I didn't understand. I tried to do return at first, but it didn't work. So
Let,
I
let
did
me
that.
try. Let me try. I'm going to, I'm just curious, yeah. Hold on.
Hmm.
I'm going to clear this. Uh, let me add some code here. And then let's copy yours. Will it work? I
Should
just
work, and then we can
I don't
print stuff.
understand. To be honest, I don't I cannot imagine how it works step by step. Oh
Yeah,
my God.
okay. To make it step by step, I think you want to print the U and the result.
Okay. But hold on. Hold on, yeah. I'm going to, how about if I just remove this?
Mhm.
Will it work?
I mean, it will say that result is undefined.
Ah, yeah. Let me try it. Return result. Oh, oh
I don't know.
yeah. Yeah. Oh, or
Hmm. Would be good if it works. What?
what happened in here? It's
It's
going crazy though.
I think
Why?
it's
What
because
happened?
every time we do recursive, it becomes
Oh,
empty
I
again.
know. Because this, yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
and that becomes a problem.
so we don't
So
have any. Oh, oh.
that's why I didn't do that.
Okay, okay, okay.
Work.
Just delete this stupid, stupid, stupid code. Or okay, before we move on, I want to print you and print result.
Yeah, so U is the list
Where do
and
I print
result.
you? Here,
Uh, yeah, just there.
here.
Print U and print result.
Result at the bottom, right?
Actually, I think you should print it before popping or after.
Before.
Before, after, I don't know. It doesn't matter.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Okay, just there. That's
Print
okay. Print U, print
result.
result. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
ABC.
ABC. So in U, B.
Oh, hold on, hold on. Too short, too short.
Okay.
Okay. Let my brain process. Huh? Long way. Oh,
Yeah, we did print a lot of stuff.
eh, this is my crazy unsolved problem. Okay, first enter the word A, B, C, D, E. And then I have this. I pop and
We
then
pop it.
PA.
So we
Oh,
build it with the
oh,
one that we
damn.
pop.
I think I understand loh.
Okay. And then it becomes A, B, C, D, E, right?
Hold on, hold on. Okay.
And then look.
Oh, and then you do it all over again. So you
Not
pop
whole.
A. Okay, you pop A,
Mm-mm.
and then it says B, C, D. Okay, and then you pop B, and then C, D, E. You pop C,
Mm-mm.
and then D, E, and
And
then you pop
recursively.
D.
And then E.
Okay, A, B, C, D,
And
E.
then here's the point. A, B, C, D, E. We put
Ah,
back
this is I don't understand. Why D?
we put back E and D. So because we printed
Why don't
after
you
we
put
pop.
back B?
We don't.
Why
So
don't-
we first in the order is we put back E and then we put back D. But then it
Oh,
chooses
it's
E. It chooses E because of the index.
so it's last in first out.
What?
No, not last in first out. Why why it's D, not E or not B?
There is E. Try printing U before popping. Then I think it will make more sense. The E got popped
Here,
already. Yeah.
here.
Yeah, there. Print U.
Oh, moly.
BCD. Okay. ABCD. So we get ABCD.
I'm going to have a dream again last night about this. Oh my God. After each class, I always have a
Is it
dream
is it
compiling thing.
a good dream or a bad dream?
A tiring dream, like I'm compiling and then cannot solve it.
Yeah, okay,
It's
this
like
one.
it's like my brain is in a boot loop. It's
Mm,
not booting, but it's looping.
okay, here.
Okay,
ABCD.
okay.
We go
Yeah.
to
And
ABCD
then we
right at the
pop.
bottom. Pop.
This is before the pop. This is
Before
after the
and then
pop, right?
after.
This
Yeah.
this is the one where we pop.
That we append. This is the one that we slice. The
Okay,
result.
this one I understand. But when we get
Okay.
here,
And then
I
we put insert, right? It becomes CD, and then we pop the D. Look, we have
oh
CD, and
so
then we
so
pop D.
and then we pop back. We insert back, right? This is
Yeah,
popping, this is inserting, right?
so there's another step that you didn't see yet. Result equals result. That's the code. You see the code at the end, the last one. Result equals result, colon Y.
Ah, yeah,
That's what I use to shorten the result. I slice it.
yeah. But I don't understand is the order of how you pop and how you insert which letter. Is it letter by letter from the left or from the right?
I'm using insert. So if I use insert, it will always go back in the original position.
Oh,
When in the
no,
list, it
no,
will
no.
always be A, B, C, D.
I was thinking like this when I don't know, it's probably the terminology. I usually have when we have like stack of data, we
Uh-huh.
usually call it push and pop, right? When we push, we put something into the list, but the order is like this, and then when we pop, I'm thinking about, popping is always the last thing in, is going to be pop the first. So when my brain is always when pop, then I'm thinking about the last one. So is it you are starting with this one,
I'm starting with A. Yeah, popping A first.
right? And then
Yeah.
you strip down
I
each one
pop
of the
B, C,
letters
and then
after it.
D. Yeah. And then I
Yeah.
put D back and then C back. Then I pop D
I don't understand. Why do you pop the D?
because I
Why don't
want
you
D.
pop
Because I
all?
want A, B, D, C, right? The next one's A, B, C, D, A, B, D, C to make the anagram. And that's
Oh,
why I have this look. For I in range len U, right? When the recursive is done, the I is going to increase. So the I becomes 2 or 1. The I changes, so that means the one that gets popped is D instead of C. As part of the recursion.
I just can't understand. It seems like it's not in order, but you can do it recursively. So you are, like the order that you are work in the code is makes sense, but I cannot see. I just don't see how the index is going. I thought it was like this. Okay, we start with A, and then I don't know the process, but okay, we'll start with A, and then we start with the rest of any of them. Okay, let's say, okay, we start with B, and then we start with anything with here. What's the combination of both of this? Okay, it's supposed to be CD and
Yeah.
DC, right?
Uh-uh.
Like that. I was thinking about it like that lah, pokoknya.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
don't,
yeah.
right?
That's true. Yeah, that's basically what I'm doing.
That's,
But the way I
yeah.
achieve it is by
But I
using a
got stuck
list.
here because then in here at this step, I cannot continue. I mean, I'm confused which one to. Okay, so now let's say I have
Hmm.
a still right. Now I
Yeah,
have to work with all the possibility for these three, right?
yeah. So B is already there, so the next one is C. So
Yeah,
CBD. That should be
yeah,
what my code does.
yeah.
You can
Somehow it's
see
like,
if you
yeah,
read
yeah.
the
I still cannot get but I think yours is better.
prints.
I don't know. Both, I think your approach is good, but I just cannot see the recursive thing. But probably what it's vague in my head, yeah. But I know that, okay, we are looking for this whole word, right? The whole
Mm-mm.
word. So we try with this one, right? And then before we start with this one, recursive with this. But before we get all the combination of this one, recursive this. And then to get it, recursive this. After we get all the possibility of D, and then all the possibility of C and D, and then we go to B with all the possibility of C and D, and then go with A with all the possibility of B, C, D, right?
Oh, the thing with my
Random,
recursive,
yeah.
the thing with my
So
recursive is it.
it's like, like you are, I don't know, somehow you are recursive, doing recursive down to the smallest number of letter, right?
I see. I think it's a misunderstanding because it's different from the math one we did. The math one we went all the way until the smallest, right?
Yes,
Here,
right. Like no, it's
the
not like that.
I start with the biggest, the recursive, because look, the recursive for the math, it's like equals, right? We use the recursive, but here we don't use it. It's just another piece of code. So the point of recursive is I want the code to happen again. So it
Yes,
doesn't
the same,
like,
dumb. Isn't it, like you're going to the smaller number of any any yeah, any that smaller number of data to get the result, and then process the smaller data to feed to the bigger data, and the bigger and the bigger and the bigger, not like that.
no, because look, you see a print result is in the last, it's in the final recursion. When I get the result, I'm in the smallest one.
Oh,
And when I'm in the first recursion, I only have one letter. So I start from the first recursion, and at the last recursion, that's when I get the result.
hold on, my brain is going to explode. Hold on, I'm going to try with three words and three letters and see if I don't understand, then I'll get back later, yeah. I
Mhm.
probably have to drink some steroid, yeah, to get this, to understand this ABC. Okay, you got AB, and then you pop A, and you got BC, and then you pop C. Here, damn, I thought it's like that, and then you process the C. So we don't have any combination of C, right? So we put it back, and then now we have AC suddenly because we already have AB, right?
Yeah, you already have AB.
Oh,
But
okay. So you
the
pop B, and then you pop A. Oh, I see. Yeah, you pop A, and then you pop B, and
but
you
I don't
pop
go back
A.
to A. I don't go back to A.
Oh, you don't. I thought here you go back to A, and then you try
I
with
keep the
C.
A. I keep the A.
Yeah,
So I don't go
you
back.
You don't go
So
back, but see, the A is
yeah.
outside the loop, outside the list, right? So
Yeah, it's still
while
outside, so we don't,
yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
we don't add it back.
So while A is outside the list, it means that we are still processing A, right?
Yeah, yeah, we can say that. It's still there. A is the first layer of recursion, and we haven't gone back
Yeah.
out there.
Okay. Now I get it. Okay. And then we are processing A, yeah. And then we have C now. And then we pop C. Oh, we pop B and then we pop C. When we pop C, we got AB. When we pop B, we got AC. Is that correct?
Yeah, yeah. We pop C, we get AC.
Okay. Okay, wait, yeah. Then we're done with A, right?
Mm-mm.
Hmm. Now we get B.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, hold on. Okay, we start now with we pop C and then we got A. We pop A and then we got C. Oh, okay, we got A and then we still have C, BAC. And then we pop A. Now we have C, now BCA. Okay, we're done with A and B. And then now we got C.
Mm-mm.
Oh, damn, I think I got it.
Mm, yes.
Ah,
Yeah.
this is actually very super clever and smart. And I don't think, yeah, this is hard, This is complex, dumb, because it requires parameters, it requires slicing, not to
Mm.
mention recursive, and then you do pop in insert. This is crazy. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm
I don't
quite
know.
happy with it.
I think, yeah, if I have to memorize this for an exam, I won't be able to memorize. I'm going to miss. You miss one line and then it's messy, but it's
But I
smart.
mean,
Okay.
you can make
Okay.
it again in the exam.
No, it's okay. No, okay. I'm still obsessed with my list. Oh, yeah, probably,
Well, I think it's
probably.
doable. If this way is doable, I think the tree method is doable, but I just don't see how it's
But I,
more
I think
efficient. So
I
that's
think
why I
this
can't
one,
imagine it.
yeah. But I think this is the most the most clever things to do it, because I don't think, because if I do my way with three list, I mean, I should use a recursive also done, because it has lots of, like a looping for going through
Mm.
the childs and the branch. And I think it's going to be easier with recursive. Okay. This is too smart. All right, then this one should be easier, but you have to go through it anyway.
Let's
So
do
we
it.
have A. So let's say we have uh you can do it in 3 minutes, dumb. The
Let's see.
add. Okay, we do the add A and B, right?
Sure.
And B, and it's going to be easy peasy, yeah? Okay. It's going to just for I in range. Um, how do we know the length? Yeah.
Uh,
Oh, len A. I
when
think
times?
len A. Is it going to be like this for J in range
Whoa, that
B?
makes sense. What?
D I sorry.
Mhm. List indices must be integers or slices not tuple. What?
Do we refer to, oh,
What is that?
I think, is it like this? How to refer to,
I and then bracket again.
Dam,
I bracket
how do we refer,
inside
Dam, hold on.
like this. I think A I
I mean, how,
J.
when I want to print, oh, like this. Hold on. Ah, hah, kok gitu? Hold on, Dam. Let me check. I'm going to print one. How do I do?
Print A bracket
Zero, zero,
and then
right?
bracket again.
Like that, like this?
Inside, I think. No,
No, I think like this. No?
I believe it should be inside. Eh. Oh, it's that. That
Uh,
one's broken.
this one is broken. I was going to, hold on. I have to turn off this one. See? Oh, I see. So it's like this, yeah, Dam. I think it's like this, yeah. I think it's like this. I don't know. Let's try. I'm still obsessed with how you do the anagram with recursive. So it's good, yeah. We go through it. We think about it for several classes, yeah.
Yeah,
Then there's a brilliant result.
I feel like it's pretty effective. Name C is not
Yeah.
defined.
Okay. Okay, let's say C like this. Oh, emang len E berapa? Minus 1 plus 1.
Uh, should
Hah?
should
Hah?
shouldn't be.
What does it mean? See? Huh? Assignment is out of range in range
Need to
0 to
see.
len A. Len E berapa? Len
Len A
A
is 3.
2, right?
Oh,
Oh, see, okay, let's print. Oh, I know, Dam. We have a problem with the size. How do we know how many? Oh, okay. Let me ask Google.
I would do len.
How to
It must be
find out?
rectangle.
Yeah,
I
the
can do len A times
of
len A O.
hold on. List in Python. Oh, I
So
see.
row times column.
Yeah. Row times column. Hold on. Let me see. Len my list. Oh, yes. Oh, benar ya.
And then yeah,
Yes,
like
like
that.
this ya. This is the what you said, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's smart. Okay, rows is rows. So the rows is
The
correct,
one we
right?
have is row, yeah, and then just add times right inside there should be fine.
No. So this one is supposed to be 0, right? Like this then?
Do you need the J? Why do you need the J?
Oh, we don't need it.
If we
We
make the
need it because
I
we are
4,
doing for row and row and columns, right?
Oh,
Isn't it?
yeah, yeah. Yeah, okay.
Oh, I know. So this one should be,
That's a bit
you
confusing.
don't need this. Tapi then,
I mean, then it should just be 2, 2.
how do we know that it has the same? Oh,
Len,
gini.
oh, len AO.
What did you say before? Before,
Yeah, len AO, like that. Like the column.
yeah, for the column, right? But it didn't work.
Is the A there?
I thought it's okay. Or should
It's
we
just
do this?
len 0.
Row, len, A, right? False, len.
A0. It's missing at the bottom.
Oh, A0 or B0?
A. Just assume A and B is the same.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you should. Yeah,
it's
just assume. Yeah,
missing
just assume. Like this?
down
Eh,
there. Rose
sorry.
call.
Rose call. Okay, rose call. Hmm. Unmatched. Okay, sorry. Still.
CIJ.
CIJ,
CIJ.
AJ, BIJ.
Oh, I don't understand if that's the correct syntax or not.
Yeah, hold on. Oh, print, rows, print, false.
It should be
What
fine.
happened? One. One is
1,
what?
2.
Oh, this one. We don't need.
Why is it
2,
2?
right? So what does
Should
it
be
have
1,
to
1.
do with? Oh, is it because should we put something like inside it like this though?
I don't think
I
it
don't know
matters.
if it's better, but we have if there's any better implementation, yeah. Oh, it works.
10, 12, 6, 8, 10, 12. Oh, that's
You're
right.
right.
What's the difference?
But I
It's
don't
equal to
like
2, 2.
this because this is only work for two times two, right? What if I have, 3 times 3? Then we have to define the C. Should we omit this? Will it work? It's
We,
not.
we have to define it. That's
How, how
silly.
do how do we?
Hmm.
Okay. Can we? Oh, no, no. Okay, I understand. Python has this dumb. We haven't learned about the library because I think when we learn about data science or something, then we are going to use the library which we are will focusing on different techniques and skills, right? I don't want to use this. I'm just thinking about how do we, should we? Okay, I think, can we put it in here? Oh, okay, let's do this then. How about this?
What if you try C equals, I mean, I don't think you have to
Can
just
we
C
just
equals
do
empty
this?
list like normal. What? Oh, that's smart.
Is it underscore like this?
I have no idea what that is.
It works, dumb. This
0
is cool.
for
You know it's
in
cool. It's cool. It's
range.
cool. Let's try, yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Okay. This is nice. Okay. Sure.
Okay.
Okay. There you go.
That is
Oh,
effective.
this is cool.
Interesting. Okay.
Interesting, right?
So you can define it for in range calls. In range for underscore in range. What does that even mean?
I don't
In
know.
range calls.
But what I can see is that I don't know. But when we have 2, 4 like this, then it means it's 2D, right? List in list, right? Not if it's 3D, then we will have another 4. This is cool. Okay, whatever. List comprehension. List
Very.
comprehension. Explain. List comprehension. Okay, this is cool, Python. A concise single way to create a new list by iterating over an existing iterable, like list, tuple, or range. Expression for item in iterable if condition. That means it can be like this.
N times 2 for n in numbers. What? That's so cool.
I think we have to get used to this, yeah? It looks like a
Wow.
lambda function, but it is more practical.
I think it is. This is what they use in lambda function, right?
As long as it's item, I mean, as long as it is iterable. Iterable means it's a form of list, tuple, or dictionary, right?
Hmm.
This is like Excel thingy. Okay. Oh, nested, you can also sublist in matrix. Okay, logic. Okay. Okay, list comprehension. Thank you. Now, Dam, do the multiplication.
Multiplication is hard.
You do the
Um,
multiplication. Multiplication.
that's like
So,
crazy.
hold on. I always have to break down the operation before doing it. I mean, hold on. Let's say I have a is I'm going to do it like this, yeah. Uh, like normal way.
Sure.
We like that, yeah. So when we do the multiplication, and then let's say we have C, right? C here and here.
How is this possible? This sounds crazy.
I
We have
think when
1 times
this
5.
one, C00, yeah. So you do, this is like, I'm going to change the color. So the first C00 here is the multiplication of these two, right?
Yeah.
So A, it means A 0, 0
Wait, it is
multiply
possible.
B. But we have to make sure that the column of the A is equal to the rows in B, right?
Wait a minute.
So they need to have the same dimension right in here.
Yeah, definitely.
Or is it the other
Actually,
way?
no, they can, for multiplication, it can be different. You can have like 2 by 2 by 2 by 3. It works.
Yeah. So it can, as long as you have the middle, 3 by 2,
Yeah,
it works, right?
yeah,
Or anything as long as this the same, right?
yes. Wow, that's gonna be hard. Okay. Whew.
Okay, so for this one, you do it, okay?
Um,
This is much easier than the anagram thing you done. It's easy peasy for you, yeah. So this one
uh,
is 0, 0 plus B. I have to write down this way to figure
like
this
the
out when I was
manually.
in college.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
have
okay.
I have to see the, the pattern and
Yeah, that's
all.
no
Hold on.
problem.
So this one
That's
is,
zero
oh,
one.
it's like this.
Yeah, well, 0 1, and
And then
then
and then
oh,
B
1 0.
B 1, 0.
Okay,
Okay.
0. So okay. I
So for the
see.
the next
Okay, I can imagine how
is
to do it
going
then.
to, yeah.
I think.
And then for the next,
Okay, 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 okay. Okay, okay, okay.
is
Boleh, boleh,
the
boleh.
same thing with this one, right?
Okay.
And then the next
Uh,
is this one
okay, I see, I
with
see, I see.
this one. The last one is this one and this one.
For I in range rows, for J in range columns.
Right.
Okay, 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 okay. Boleh, boleh, boleh. But then you have to change it. I see, I see, I see. Oh my God.
Okay. Once
I
once you
get
figure
it.
out,
Yeah,
yeah, once you figure out the index and the pattern, it will, you just get it.
I think I got it. Yeah.
Okay.
Well, you have to change the column because we can change it. We need cols equals len B0, I think,
Yeah.
because we use the rows of A and the column of B, right? So call B.
Yes.
That's the first step. And then index I follows the range, J follows. That's good. That's
We
good.
use the rows of, rows of A and then the columns of B. Yeah.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Is that true or not?
Would you like to share your screen?
Okay. Should I go to Google Colab? Okay. Let me open it.
Okay. Go. And then
Let
share it.
me open this. Let's see. Okay. Oh, challenging.
Ah,
My goodness.
I'm
I
so
want to
thirsty.
experiment first with the other code. Wow, that's a lot of code.
This Google Colab is masterpiece.
Spicy. Yeah, yeah. Streaming output truncated. It's truncated.
Yeah,
Lol.
because it's too long. You are bullying me. You are abusing me, said the Google Colab.
It's
I have
shorter.
to, yeah.
Takes a while to run, but I just wanna. Oh, I didn't get the matrix. I could rewrite it then.
Oh, you don't get it?
It's not here. This one. That's okay. We can make it again, right? I want to see why you can't like,
You don't get it?
yeah, it's not here.
Okay.
Let me just define add again, just so it makes sense. Uh,
Yeah.
I mean, I want to see why this doesn't work.
But we need, but you have to do the magic.
So calls and rows, yeah. It would help me, I guess.
Why it is not synchronized, yeah?
Not
Okay,
sure. Maybe
I'm
there's
sending you
lag.
on the chat in case you need it. Okay.
Okay. Calls
Okay,
equals
okay.
to len b 0. C equals to, I need a 4. For I in range rows, for j in range calls C I. Because I was thinking of doing like that.
Yeah.
Maybe it's the same, just a different way of writing it. Edit,
Mhm.
print, add, change, subscript,
Yes.
add, oh, return.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm.
Where's the error here? Integer object is not subscriptable. Oh, guess it doesn't work like this then.
Oh,
Okay.
ah, yeah, like that on on separate uh square brackets, not inside.
I wanted to try it. Stop. This index out of range. So then I have to do, why can't we just do, but then yeah, it won't know. Yeah. This is what we were doing before. It only works if you do this. I see. Okay. Then we do this after. Okay. What was it? 4 in. Okay. 0. Doesn't matter, right? For I in range rows.
What is the difference between underscore and I, yeah? Is it?
I think because they don't want to use a letter. Underscores anything. You can use any letter, I think. Words.
Oh, okay, so it's the same, yeah.
Yeah, just a placeholder.
Any any letters or underscore.
I think so.
Oh,
So this is add, right? This is it. Okay. I want to keep this. This one's important. Yeah, oops. Okay. I want these. These are good. Define multiply A, B. And then copy this again.
yes,
Very good.
very good.
And then I reckon for I in range rows, same thing, I think. Range rows.
Mm-hmm.
Then I want
Mm-hmm.
AI. They're both at 0. That's fine.
Yeah.
Times plus. The first one that increases is J. I want I to go A, I, J, A. Yeah.
Yeah, there will be some a little bit trick with the index
Wait.
positions.
A, I, J. I need the index to change. I need another one.
Oh, yes. How do you
I
know?
see. J, K. Good.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, I
yeah,
need to
yeah,
make
yeah.
this one K,
Yeah,
but
that's
this
the
one's still I,
trick.
J. Like it was loading and then I just figured, wait, this doesn't work. Then this will happen twice. Will it happen twice? Sorry, no, this has to be K. This is J. That one that I use is K.
Yes.
Which
So
one?
that's it. I was which one?
Then
Which one will you
K
put the
I.
cake? Ah, you got it.
That work?
Yeah.
Slowly.
Yeah, it's correct
None.
already.
It says
Ah,
none. Stop. Stop, stop,
why?
stop. Let
Oh,
me
no, no,
read.
probably but KJ you dumb.
Is it?
Yeah, I think.
Oh, E.
Eh,
Let me imagine.
yeah, J, right? Or A. I think it's
I thought
J.
it was I. Are we supposed to change
I
it? No.
I don't know. I was
It's supposed
thinking
to
about
stay the same. Click, 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 click. And when J changes, let me think
okay.
again. When J changes, no, I actually have to think about it. What's the second one? Second one is this and this.
Yeah.
Then I want this row to change. I want this to J. Then do I need the I? I do need it for this. K and then K I K. Oh my goodness.
Um,
Hmm. I
it's okay.
never do I want that to change. No, I want that to change when we shift. Afterwards, we will do. Ah, what am I thinking? Yeah, I multiply this by this. After that, I
Uh-huh.
multiply. What are we doing? We're changing the
Where's my book?
for I and J, C I J.
Mm, book.
C I J, then we're going to move J first.
Yeah.
Oh, we're doing rows first. Oh,
Rows.
yeah,
The
yeah,
first
yeah.
rows
Okay, we're doing
with
rows
with the
first
columns, and then the second rows with all the
with the
columns.
second column. So I want
Yeah.
this number to increase. So I want this J. And then what? I want.
But why is none?
Yeah, I'm changing some stuff is wrong. X, B, I can't think. J, K, I need to draw it.
Hold on. Is it rows or
Wait.
calls? See,
Row.
you have to, like write it down, right?
Okay, let's
Where's my
say
pen?
I just need something to help me visualize it.
Yes.
Okay, so this is what we start with, okay? Now the second
Yeah.
one, Cij, means we're going
Yeah.
here. So I want this with this. AB should be
Yeah.
the same. AB should stay the same. It should stay the same, but K should not be activated.
Don't
K,
forget that you have to add it to the first, right?
I.
For each row in A, you have to add it up, sum it up with all the its multiplication with the columns, every columns in B. So it's not
Oh,
only
yeah.
multiplication. Yeah.
Can I just do this?
There. Yeah,
None!
but still none. Why? Dam, how about don't use I, just do underscore. I don't know. Probably that's the problem.
I don't think so.
The I,
Try.
yeah, maybe that's, huh? Yeah, maybe
So it's
that's,
fine. Still none. I must have made a mistake. Wait. I made a mistake. Which one's row? Which one's column? I always get it backwards. Row. Ah, what is row? What's a row? Row is up or down. It goes down if it's a row. If we move I, we're gonna go down. If we go J, we're gonna go right. We want this to
yeah,
not have any J. It's the same, but when this moves,
yeah.
wait,
I think this is correct.
okay,
Oh, but for K in range column, yeah, column,
okay.
K,
K starts with the top one,
column,
and then
column,
we'll go to the
row,
bottom
row,
one.
column,
J is one.
column, row.
It's not right?
For
That's
the K,
wrong.
should it be rows or column? Why not?
Um,
Oh, damn. You know what?
why?
I know.
ID
You don't
return?
do
Is that what I did?
return.
Oh my goodness. Amazing.
Return C. Amazing.
Wow. Okay, is this right? I don't want to count it. One, two,
This is correct.
one,
Oh,
five,
hold on.
7, 14. Okay, this is correct. 1, 2 times 6, 8. 6,
Yeah.
16, 22. Okay, correct. 3, 4, 15, 28. Correct. Uh, 18 and 24. Eh, 18, 32. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Okay, let's try to make it harder.
21 and yes. Okay.
We'll
You
try
pass.
3 by
All
3
right. Good.
just to see if
Oh
it
yeah, try.
works.
Two. No, yeah. But you have yeah.
It should be automatic.
Make it different. Make it asymmetry. Damn, like three, three, three by three, three by
Oh,
four.
sure. Uh,
Hmm.
3 by 4 will be like this. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I missed the comma.
Ah,
It's the next out of range. Don't be out of range. Don't do that. That's mean. Don't do that. List index. Oh,
don't
which
do
one?
that.
Don't do that.
Oh, I guess this one dumb. I think the K should be rows in range calls. In range rows.
Okay, in range rows.
I don't know. I think I'm sure, but the K should be in
Eh,
range.
look at this.
Huh? Suddenly it is sudden.
Eh,
Huh?
maybe I got the code wrong.
Huh?
Oh, I see. I did the code wrong. Okay.
What?
Like this, right?
Oh,
And then it should print 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, it's still out of range though. Surprising.
huh?
Okay, this is correct. Okay. No, it's
Out of
backwards.
range. How about the J? J
It should be calls and then rows.
should it be rows instead of calls or huh? Holy moly.
Which one? We can try. That something worked, but that's so.
Ah, eh,
I don't know if those numbers are right.
1, 2, 3. How about it's all two and ones to make it easier to check?
Okay, 1. Oops. 0.
666. Is it correct?
Why would it be?
2, 2, 2,
Why would it be
6,
0? Oh, at least because I printed here.
6, 6, 6. Correct?
Okay. Can I make it like give a space? I can, right? No, I cannot.
What space?
No, I mean like so to make it vertical. Oh yeah.
Yeah, you just insert print empty after each iteration, after
Actually, wait.
inside the 4i in range.
Print multiply AB. Can I index this? Uh,
Hmm.
wait. For X in range. Len of C. Not C. Len of multiply A B. Okay. Then I want to print multiply A B just to help me see this.
Okay.
And I want to make that X. Okay, and then I want to print just like that. Yes, that's better. I like that.
So much better. Nice.
Okay. Whatever. Is this the thing that fixed it? Oh, it is. Okay. Why? K in range of rows. Wait, I need to understand why. What's K? What the heck is K?
K. K is the index for the inner part of the iteration.
Oh,
So it will stay still when I and j is moving. K is
it's this one.
case oh no, it's not sensitive. It's moving. It's changing.
Oh, it doesn't make sense if it's the row of. Eh. Huh? What is K? K is this. K is going from A to B. This is what K does.
Yeah. K is the inner index
Why
where
is it
that
not calm?
is always the same.
If it's like
Is all.
A, B, C, this is 2 by 3, then it has to be 3 by 2. A,
Yeah, good,
B,
good.
C. Okay, then what?
Let's
1 and then 2 Ks. 1, 2. Oh, it is the number of row. Why?
yeah.
Because it ends up being 2 by 2. I see. That's why it's row. Okay. I see. That's so math logic. That's difficult.
Yeah, but
Okay.
I think yeah. So it makes sense now. So it works, right?
It works.
Nice.
Okay.
All
Okay.
right.
That's
So done.
multiplic. There's like other harder ones, but they're even more impossible. Can you the determinant matrix inverse?
Oh,
That sounds impossible.
determinant is going to hold on.
Determinant is really hard.
Hold on. Hold on, yeah. Let me ask.
Determinant is a
Ah,
square matrix. Is it possible?
matrix problems.
It might be possible.
For coding exercises. Or rotate them
Oh,
or transpose.
transpose. Transpose.
This is crazy, yeah.
That's crazy.
Whoa, nice. You know what? I think this matrix thing is going to be useful when you are doing like machine learning trainings. When you
Mm,
are trying to extract features or patterns from a picture, then you usually process each element of the matrix by, like transposition or, like merging the cells to
mm.
make it, like to concentrate the information. Then this one is interesting, yeah. Let me send you the chat, yeah. Is there anything you want to try?
I mean, I can try more with this matrix. Like, yeah, transpose
How do you rotate?
and inverse. How do I rotate?
Oh,
How,
matrix transpose, swap rows and columns.
we can try it. How do you rotate?
Is
What
it?
does it
I think
even mean to
transpose is
rotate?
easier.
Transpose is
Rotate is.
easier. We can do
Oh,
transpose.
as long as we know how the index change, then we're all good.
I'll do transpose. Transpose should be fine. Just one matrix, right?
Yeah.
And then we copy this again. Nah, why does tabs disappear? What? What? Hey, don't be like that.
Ah.
Okay, so we want to swap this and this and this and this and this and this. So we only need three swaps. Yeah, three swaps. No, two, three. How?
Oh,
How do you know
I
which
think
one to swap?
yeah, we have to do the.
If, oh, I see. Okay. Boleh, 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 boleh.
Okay, let's try.
Okay, 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 okay. By the way, how do you do, if I want to do if, right?
Yeah.
And I want to say x equals like not three. How do you say it? How do you do like not equals to? Is it just like that? No.
Uh, it is not equals is um
How?
like this.
Oh, exclamation mark?
Yeah.
Does that work?
In Python. Hold on. Yeah, I think not in equal. In equal in Python. I forgot.
Does it work?
In
Like
equal
that?
in Python.
Let's try first. For I in range.
Oh, it's exclamation part exclamation and then equal.
Okay.
Oh, you can do it right away without, like scratching, like calculating it in paper.
I mean, if I get stuck, then I'll do it, you know? It's like my
Oh, okay.
stubbornness.
Yeah, okay, okay.
I'm not that smart.
Hmm.
Ay, 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 ay. C.
Oh,
Uh, do I have to use C or can I just use A? Can I
hmm.
swap? I
I think
can.
do
I
we
don't need
have to
C.
make another matrix? Uh, uh, uh,
I
uh,
don't think
uh.
so. I can make this shorter. I can use a swap that we did before. We did it before. So I is the row. So I and then Aij, comma. No, I need if first.
I.
If I, this is what I want to do. J. If it's not equals, because if it's equals, then we can skip them.
Yeah.
A, J, I, and then just swap it like that.
Okay.
Hopefully this works.
Yeah.
A, I, and then J. And after that, I want to return a, dang, okay, I want an answer.
Okay.
Oops. Oh, it's here. This index out of range. Why is the error in here? Come on,
Are
man.
we doing the rotation?
Transpose.
Oh, transpose. Okay. Transpose is
Bro, fine.
row becomes column, column becomes row. I need to do it.
Seriously? I have to do it the old
I
way.
need to do it manually. Yeah.
How do you disable code?
Okay.
How do you, what's the button? Shift?
Oh, shift. How do you? Oh, uh, control slash.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
Yeah. And then B. No, we want to do transpose, right? So then we have A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Transpose is we will have 1, 2. Eh, hold on. Transpose is, let me make sure.
What are you doing in my swamp?
Uh, uh, uh.
Okay, maybe I'm just being too arrogant, assuming this will work when clearly it's not working yet.
Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Transpose is
Of course, this is all two. Na, 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 na.
okay. So it has
It
to be
nothing
1,
worked. Nothing
4, 2,
happened.
5, 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6.
Did the swap not work?
It swaps its rows and column in the so 0, 0 becomes 0, 0.
Oh, it does it twice. I'm silly. Of course. I'm swapping.
What? No.
No, I'm being
What?
silly. Look, I'm counting all of it. So I'm gonna
Uh-huh.
swap everything twice.
So
I'm Wait.
it reverts
Uh,
back.
yeah, it reverses back. It transposes twice. That's funny.
That's
Uh,
why. So
funny.
meanwhile, I'm still working it on paper, yeah, because I need to see how the index change.
How do I
So
make it happen only
okay,
once?
so it is, this is going here and then here going here. Okay, so 0 0 become okay. 0 1 becomes, oh, just invert the position them, right? So 0 2 become 2 0, right?
I guess swapping doesn't work. That means I have to make a C. Oh, I have to make a C. I lost.
Oh, just use the last swapping we have. So
Yeah. No,
1
swapping
0
doesn't work.
become 1 0. Sorry, hold on.
Okay. Well, let's do this.
1
Equals
0
to.
becomes, hold on. 1 0 becomes 0 1. And then
How
1
frustrating. How frustrating.
1 1 become 1 1. 1 2 become 2, 2 1. It's basically just it's basically just, yeah, IJJI. All right, we got it. We got it. Huh? Oh, okay.
Dang it. Dang it. Dang it. Oh, because I'm referring to B, is it? Okay.
Oh,
What
oh.
was I doing 3 times? One, that's not right. That is horribly wrong. Eh, one, two, no,
Not horrible.
four,
It's
6. It might be correct. I might be silly. 4 2 3 7. Oh, it is right. Okay, this is correct. Okay, you got him.
correct.
Yes,
Okay.
I got it. I got it. So it's
Nice.
like that.
Try
Just
try try uh matrix two times three to 3 times 2.
like rotation, or
No. The transpose. So only this one.
that works.
Already?
I mean,
Which
no,
one?
I'm asking, like, you can do that.
I mean, yeah. I mean, if A is the are you rotating or inversing?
Transpose.
Transposing, right?
This one's transpose. Yeah.
Yeah. So when you have this, then you will have like this, right?
Oh, it has to be. Uh-uh.
Yeah. I want to see when it's asymmetry. So it has to be like this. The result.
Well, I thought it had to be. Can you transpose me? I thought it has to be square matrix.
No, not square.
Yes.
Anything.
2 by 3. What? Really? I mean,
Yeah.
I didn't know
So when
that.
it's if it's just one rows, it becomes called one calls. One call.
That means I have to simply flip this. like that. Is that true? Is this how it's supposed to look like?
Yes.
I don't know how this works.
Mm, basically the same, Dam.
Is
I
this
think it,
right? Is it true?
yeah, yeah, this
Let's
is
see
correct.
if it works for
Right.
the old one. What was it? 7,
Oh, yeah.
1 for still works, right? Yeah, still works. Okay. I just had to switch this row and column. Okay, I didn't know that. I just learned matrix recently
Ah,
in
it's
soft.
going to be, you will need it very much if you told me that you are interested in robotics or mechatronics, Dam.
I mean, what's the difference? It's just more, I guess, mechatronic because it's mechanical,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
like
So it's going to be lots of matrix, right? Because if
slightly.
you're yeah, if you are designing the movement of the robots, the arms and everything is going to be matrix. 3D matrix.
Ooh, it's scary.
3D is 3D is crazy, you know.
Um,
Oh, damn. Oh, okay. Probably next time. Yeah. I I was learning something about matrix, which is really interesting. Like when you are processing an image in with matrix, we can we can do like hold on, what do you call it? You change the RGB value of each cell, which is each element in the matrix, by reducing it or increasing it, or you do a calculation on each element, and then the picture will be, like, enhanced or blurred. So it's what happened? What is D? Ah,
I just want it to be more pretty so I can change this quickly. I can delete
okay.
this.
All right. Nice.
Mm-mm. Yeah, I'll have some work
Oh,
to do with matrix. Let's transpose, rotate. I don't know about that.
uh, it's
Matrix? Determinant and inverse sound very impossible.
next time we'll do picture.
Okay.
Okay. Gaussian blur is good. Damn, next. Remember on Friday I want to show you my code when I do matrix for blurring pictures.
Right.
And this is really interesting, like things to blur. Oh, no. Hold on. Let me find, yeah. I think it is here or somewhere else. Oh, hold on. Hold on, you damn. I need to check on something. I'm preparing for Friday. Um, or I can show you now before we finish the class. Damn, let me share my screen, okay? I want to show you something.
Right.
Okay, here, damn. So this is more implement, but it's different with implementation for robotics, right? So
Mm-mm.
this is an example of, like AI exhibition. This is for like uh competition. So when we have this picture, this is basically 2D list, right?
I guess
So
a list of
each,
colors.
yeah,
List.
yeah. So each of a pixel has numbers from 0 to this number, because it is uh 8 bits, right? So every pixel is represented by 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 to from black to 1, like that. So when we have grayscale, we always have numbers in between this. Okay? There. If we want to blur the picture, this is the matrix, you know. This is the matrix 64 by 64. And this is the number. The bigger it is become white, more white. And then when 0 it is dark. I don't know, I always mix it up. And then when how do we make it blurred? We just, like this. For item for sublist in blur image, the image for item in sublist, we just do this. Hold on. Here, this is what we do. So this is the picture, right? Into the array, right? Then the blur is when in range this for row and column. And then we basically they give us the calculation, but we are processing each element of the picture by summing the image of this certain position. And then we sum and then we divide it by 9. Basically it's like it is when you see kalau nggak salah ya, I think it is like this. So
It's
when
like
yeah, it's like merging let's say
taking average, right?
yeah, you averaging every 9. So you
Okay.
are averaging every pixel with the pixel around it. So
I
why
see.
it is divided by 9? Because this one is being averaged with all other neighbors, and so all the
Okay.
pixel. Oh, what if the pixel
Does
is
it
in?
work?
It works.
64 by 64 isn't divisible by 9. By 3.
You do it like this, like this. You move it.
Oh,
Yeah, like
you move it
this.
one by one. I see.
Yeah. So it's like you are moving the windows of size 3 by 3 until you cover all the pixel. And then what if it is at the edge? What to do? Then we will average it with 0, I think. So when it's like this, it is like the other pixel is, yeah,
I see.
let's assume this one is 0, I think. So when it's the edge, we will think we will make like, let's say we set it as 0, so it's going to be blurred. Yeah,
Yeah,
so
that
it's
means if
interesting,
it's
right?
a black background, it will turn white. Kind of, it turn
Yeah,
gray.
yeah.
Okay, but
So
that's
this is the
interesting.
result. See, this is how we do the blur. So it becomes like this because
Oh,
we average all the pixel with the neighbors. So this is how, yeah, nice, right? And then yeah, they I think they have this calculation. See,
yeah,
when
1.9.
it's it in the edge or at the corner, we also assume that it is 0. That's how we do it. All right,
Wow, okay.
nice.
That's fun, that's fun.
Yeah. So by doing this, we can do lots of things, right? Like like recovering image or prediction. Like when it's let's say it has a defect on some certain area, we can recover it by reading the neighbors. So okay, the neighbors next to it colors is probably we can predict what's the exact number to be patched back to the picture. So on, this is nice. And also then we can do the list to do this for compression. So we compress a picture by having different representation of matrix. So it's like, like merging, like probably when we have 8 by 8 matrix, and then we reduce it to be 4 by 4. So we reduce the resolution. Like when you watch YouTube in 720 pixel, and then it's going to be blurred because the pixel is so we do compress. All is matrix. So why people why people is needing a GPU so much? Because it is one for gaming, two for AI, three for image processing. Image processing is matrix, lots of matrix, right? Games is also matrix, 3D matrix, modeling, and then animation, and they use GPU. That's why everybody is buying GPU. And also GPUs for what? For mining Bitcoin and so on.
Of course.
So
Yeah.
if you want to invest to NVIDIA, yeah, or
Yeah, they're good right now.
Taiwan Semiconductor, because they are produce this like technology to process things people use every day.
That's a good point.
Okay,
Yeah.
very nice, Dam. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
See you on
That's very
Friday.
interesting.
Thank
All
you for
right.
today.
Yes.
Hi, thank you, Dam. Have a nice good night.
Yeah.
Have a nice sleep. Bye
Might as
bye.
well. Bye.